If you are in your lazy girl era but still wanna look the best, I've got you.
And first of all, you're not lazy, you're just saving your energy. And honestly, no one can really do a 10-step routine every day. All we want is just frizz-free, healthy-looking hair without doing a lot of effort. So I am sharing some of my favorite lazy girl hair hacks. And trust me, you will not find this anywhere on the internet because मैं खुद find कीते थे मैंने कोई भी genuine trick नहीं मिली. So these are coming straight from my trial and error. Just a little thing before we start. Look at this. Do you see this? I got a mic. Shout out to my brother for the best Rakhi gift ever. And let's get to the video. Let's start with my favorite emergency fix for the frizz.
No matter what you do to your hair, you can never win this frizz on the crown. So I have found a perfect lazy solution. That is a hairspray and your makeup brush. The one that you don't use, obviously. Spray the brush lightly and tame away all that frizz on your head. And in no time, you will have this perfect, sleek kind of look without losing the volume. And it just looks perfect. Does not require much effort and works so well.
I really wish ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹ hack ਬਾਰੇ college times ਪਤਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ because look at this. That's me in a function for college. Anyways, let's get to hack number 2. Everyone keeps saying drink water for healthy hair. I'm also the one who says that a lot. But seriously, all I get is the urge to pee every 5 minutes.
That's because water doesn't always get absorbed well by your body. It's missing electrolytes.
And I have found a brilliant hack. It's just genius.
Just add a tiny pinch of salt. That bit of sodium helps your body actually hold the water and use it instead of, turning it into a full-time bathroom visitor.
It will not taste salty at all, and you can drink much more water, and more water is equal to healthy hair.
I mean, I have wasted so much money in those hydration pouches, जिन्हां विच electrolytes ਦੇ ਨਾਮ ਤੇ ਸਿਰਫ flavor ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, while I could have done that just by using a pinch of salt.
Okay, coming to hack number 3. Have you ever binge-watched a show and then feel like, oh, I should be doing something productive? But then you're like, leave it. Well, here is your sign.
If you're gonna binge another episode, at least let your hair benefit too. Use your fingers and start massaging your scalp while you watch. No effort, no mirror, no mess. Just tiny circles all over your head. It's a lazy girl multitasking at its finest.
It's simple, it boosts blood circulation, and you do not have to lift a finger. You do have to lift a finger, but it's for us lazy girls. It's low maintenance. And hack number 4. This one is truly for the low maintenance girlies. You want to keep the frizz away, but don't want to do a hell lot of things. Invest in this silk bonnet. Trust me, this saves a lot of time and lots of effort. It's working for you while you're sleeping. What else do you need? It's one of the best practices for us lazy girls. And you can also check out my frizz control video here. And let's get to hack number 5. This one is kind of similar to the last one, which is if you like styling your hair but you do not have much time or you don't want to put a lot of effort into that, you can absolutely do the overnight buns and the overnight braids.
It's perfect for the days when you want effortless waves without spending time in the morning. Normally I'd leave this overnight, but here I kept it for a few hours just to show you how quick and easy it is, plus zero heat damage.
It's such an easy and effortless way to wake up with super styled, blowout looking hair, and all the work is done while you're sleeping. Hack number 6 is for the post-wash routine. Given the fact that you're on this video, which means you're looking for some lazy girl hacks. So you definitely don't want to do a 10-step routine after washing your hair. And honestly saying, inne zyada products use karan di ta actually load hundi hi nahi, just stick to one product that is a good leave-in conditioner.
Skip the 5-step routine and just stick to this one leave-in conditioner. I've been using this for so long, you can see it's almost empty.
And you're sorted until your next wash. Just one simple product and you are done. Does not require a lot of effort, does not require a lot of time, does not require a lot of product, and is low maintenance friendly. Hack number 7. This is for the time when you're too lazy or you're too tired to put on a hair mask, but your hair needs it. Okay, this one requires a little bit of effort, but it is not as big of efforts as you would need to make a mask, then mix it, and then put it on your hair, and then sit in the mess for hours. You just need one ingredient, that is warm ghee. What do you call ghee in English? It's clarified butter. Butter. Okay. Ghee. Use ghee. And you can get all the nourishment without having to do the messy work.
Take your time and coat every strand of your hair. Make sure no section is left out. And then
I have those smooth and silky and healthy strands, which I did not put a mask for. Just make sure you cover your pillows, and do not do this a lot, especially if you have very low porosity hair. I mean, you can do it, but do not do it every time you're going to wash your hair. Try to stick to masks or your regular oiling. This is just the replacement for the lazy days when you don't feel like applying a mask, but you still need to. You can do this. And that was it, my lazy girl starter pack. And I have absolutely no idea how I end up making 7 hacks for every single video. I do not do this intentionally. It just happens. Apne aap ho jata. Somehow I make 7 points for every video. Yeah. Anyways, these were some of my favorite quick and easy hacks that actually work when you don't feel like working. And I will list all the hacks in the description box and in the comment section. You guys make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share this with your friends. And I will see you soon because we are just getting started.